how do you handle people sharing your product? In my experience, very seldom akong worry about that. I focus on serving my market because you can focus on defense. If you focus on people not pirating your work, you can waste a lot of your hours and days doing that. So may nakita ka, pinirate yung libro mo, minessage mo siya. Anong gusto mo? Dedemanda mo, maghaharap ka ng lawyer, kukuha ka ng NBI, magkukuha ng police para sitahin yung someone nagbenta nag-share ng ebook mo for 800 pesos. I'm not saying do not protect your product. I'm not saying na hayaan nyo lang nagarapalang binibenta yung product nyo. That's not what I'm saying. But what I'm trying to say is focus on what's even more important. And what's more important right now is not worry about all the piracy stuff. What's important right now is you start to make money. Because once kumikita ka na, then pwede mo na silang habulin. Pero ngayon, hindi ka pa nga kumikita, I don't think it's the best use of your time. Just want to be clear. If you are thinking there's 100% proof, like a bulletproof that they cannot pirate your product, there is no way. Movie industry, it's a $1 billion industry. They cannot 100% protect their movies. This is a printed book. Do you think people cannot pirate a printed book? Yes or no? They can. Exactly. How hard it is for me to scan this. How hard it is for me to take a photo of this. Kaya nga po sinasabi ko sa inyo, if you will worry about people pirating your stuff, hindi ka makaka-move forward because in your mind, you're always worrying about it. Tsaka nyo na ho problemahin yung pagsikat na kayo, pag marami na kayong benta. Make sense, guys? I just want to be clear. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.